This is a conservation of mass experiment where we are adding vinegar and baking soda in a glass vessel that will be closed by the use of a balloon. We have added to our balloon our baking soda, a mass of approximately 5.23 grams, followed by 15.55 grams of acetic acid. Now we're going to place the vessel on our scale here, and we'll get closer so that we can observe this. So first we're going to turn this on, and once the scale settles, we'll add it. Roughly centered there. So what we have over here, we'll record a before mass, and then we'll record a mass for after the reaction. And we'll see here. So we'll write in before, what our total mass is. And our total mass is 222.16 grams. So this includes the weight of the glass vessel, the mass of the acetic acid, which is inside the container. It includes the balloon as well as the baking soda that is within it. So we're going to now react the material. I'm going to reduce a little bit of the light here. All right, let's turn this on again. Take the weight off. We have some time delay. Okay. So 222.115 it's saying now, but we start with the 16 as that's what we first had. And I'm now going to invert the baking soda. Let's invert all of it to make sure it's in there as it reacts. And let's look at the mass here. Let's look and see. Okay, 221.89, 221.86. Okay. Now, how closed our system was remains a question. Let's look here. It looks like most of the reaction is done. We have some condensation on the side of the vessel. And now let's look at the integrity of the seal of the balloon. So I'm going to take this off here, bring the camera around, and let's look around the periphery as we turn it. Okay, not quite visible, but we can see a dimple or a thin mark here. So our assumption was that we had a perfect seal for the glass vessel. But it looks like for the most part it held throughout the reaction. Our balloon, of course, inflated because a gas was produced. And if we look closer in the vessel now, it looks like most of what reacted has indeed reacted. Now, let's look at what that final mass is here once most of everything has settled. And we have a mass of 221.83 grams. So that's what we will write, although it's fluctuating. So 221.83 grams. And that is our after amount. And let's record that.